Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find the solution about Google Drive, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Google Drive and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.